how to add a song to a photo in CapCut. So to begin, first you need to open the CapCut application. After opening the application, the very first thing you need to do is click on New Project. As soon as you click on New Project, you need to grant the required permissions and then go to the Photos section. This is the Photos option, you need to click on it. From here, select any photo you want. For example, I'll select this picture here and add it. After adding it, you see an interface like this. The first thing you need to do here is look for the Add Audio option and click on it. Then click on Sounds. This is the Sounds option. As soon as you click on it, you see the Device option. Click on that. Again, click on the Device option here. And as soon as you do, all the songs available on your device will appear here. You can click here to add them. For example, if you don't have any songs downloaded, what you need to do is enable your internet connection and search for any song name here. The song will appear and you can select it. That song will then play under your photo. It will play. After that, if you click on export here, your video will be created and the song will be added to your photo. So that was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for notifications.